Morning, sir. How was your night?
Good. Yours?
I thank God.
I can perceive something delicious. What's cooking?
I'll leave you to guess.
What's that?
What's that?
Hey!
Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! Ah, gosh! Oh! Hey!
What is it?
Oh!
Mugini, what is it?
Ah,
Yeah?
wait. Calm down. What's happened on my hand?
What?
Ah, God!
It's okay.
God. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I don't understand.
Let me see.
Wait, I wanted to pour the hot water inside the custard mix, and the thing mistakenly shifted from there. And the thing just poured on my hand. Oh! God. Oh
But
my
I just placed the water on the fire before I left.
Yes, but it was really hot.
You mean the water could have boiled already?
God, yes. It was boiled. It was really hot. That's why I wanted to make the custard for you.
Stop talking too much. It's
Oh
okay.
God.
Let me get salt.
Maisie, please get water. Get water first. I need to quench the hotness. This
Salt
hurts.
is okay.
No, it's giving me excruciating
It's okay.
pain.
Sorry.
Ah!
It's okay.
God,
Hold on.
cold water. God, cover my hand with the precious blood of Jesus. Oh! Wait, no, don't bring the cup close to my hand. Ay, Jesus. Oh God, is this still going to be swollen? God,
With this
please.
cold water now, it will be fine, okay?
Are you sure? I don't want anything to
after now,
happen
put salt.
or disfigure my fingers and my hand.
I won't allow that.
Oh God. Ah, shit.
Hey.
No, don't.
Change your color now, eh? Mom, what's so funny?
You want to know what is funny?
Yes.
That pathetic, undomesticated pretty face of a girlfriend.
What? Mom?
Maisie, are you under a spell?
Mom, you are crossing the line.
Maisie, you need to answer. You need to answer the question.
So this is what this is all about, right?
Yes, it is. She cannot cook nor clean.
That does not make her less of a woman. Or it's not even enough to make her the subject of ridicule.
Listen, Maisie, I know you're desperate to take over your father's company, but she is not good for you. Oh! Yes, you heard me. She is not good for you.
This is not good. It's not good at all. It's not right.
What nonsense.
God.
Babe.
God.
Babe.
What is she talking about?
But it's not what you think, okay? Calm down, let me explain to you. Okay? Let me explain to you, please.
So I'm a means to an end.
Babe, come on.
I am a means to an end!
Stop this.
Yes! You're a means to a terrible end. That is who you are.
With you I know, with you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you I truly belong. Didn't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. Didn't even understand, the only one I love, the only one I need. Cooking time. Cooked fish before I go to YouTube and check residue. Ew. I'll separate it when it's done. Okay, I'm supposed to add salt. Salt to it. Because that woman, she listed all the ingredients for egusi soup. So I have my seasoning, I have onion. Okay, everything is complete. It's just to put it together, and my food is ready. Okay, okay. Let's put this one. Oh my eyes. Since Eki that used to cook for me is not available to cook, I'll go when she comes back. She will know that I know how to cook. Fresh pepper. Pumpkin leaf, okay. Just put it so it doesn't hurt my fingers. When it's done, I'll remove all these things. Remove it. Anything that is not good when it's done. When Eki comes back, she'll be dazed that I made scrumptious meals. Okay, vegetable. And that woman said, make it crunch. Okay, that's all. Arrange where you prep for the food and everything to keep the ingredients clear. When you calm down, you're doing amazing. Keep it clean.
take out the vegetables and just coat it. Okay? Let's see what's looking like this. In fact, I don't need to stress myself because I might mistakenly cut my fingers. Let me just cook it. When I cook it, everything will blend. They will come together, marinate. Not water. I'm sure this might be all the rest. 5-star standard. Oh my God, what is this egusi looking like, Arena? This egusi, respect yourself. In fact, oh my gosh, I didn't buy oil. Okay, just let me go and buy oil first. Red oil.
Hello, Linus. Yeah. Man, can you imagine? I can't even access my money from that bank. Linus, please, I'll talk to you later, okay? I am going to that bank to let hell loose right now. It's not funny. It's not funny, man. I'll talk to you back. What's rubbish is this now? What rubbish? What rubbish?
Let me just be good that way.
Oh, that's better. Alright. Oh, I serve this one here. Get the coleslaw.
Okay, then.
Thank you. I have to move this.
No, that's it.
Everything has to be perfect.
It will be, okay.
And get the bottle, alright?
Yes.
Okay. Let's get this cold. Alright. Okay, the fruits. Let me place it here.
We didn't eat it.
Let's get love apples. Hurry, yes. That's nice, thank you. Let me place it here. Oh, dishing the food.
No, don't worry, everything is okay.
Everything has to be perfect.
They are. He will love them. Trust me. We did great.
I believe you do.
Thank you. Let me just go in and wash my hands, okay?
Hurry.
Man. Thanks, man. You're the man. let's go. Hey, Mom.
Look at you! Come here! Welcome back.
Mom, I missed you.
Coming from someone who has been in this country for the past 1 week without seeing his mother. See?
How come? What? Linus?
Well, you know I can't lie.
That was supposed to be a secret.
Well, you know I can't lie to my favorite auntie. You know that.
Stop it! Come here! Good to see you.
Hi. Hi, Lizzie.
Would you?
Yes.
That's not true. Who am I seeing?
It's me.
Come here. Oh my God. Whoa! Would you? Is this you?
It's me.
Is this you?
Yes, that's me.
Oh my God. Would you?
What is it?
Damn.
Damn.
You're not.
No, it's not that way.
Oh, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
What do you guys have here?
Oh! The
Oh my God.
It's okay, I understand. I understand?
Mom?
I miss you, son. Let me see.
Okay, so
No.
when?
Okay. Oh my God.
I know. Oh, welcome, son. How do you like it?
Very well. Oh my God.
Auntie, this meal is so delicious.
Thank you, Linus. But I'll not take the credit alone. All thanks to you here.
Uju, I just thought about an idea.
Okay.
Have you considered opening a restaurant?
Well, now you've said it, I'll put it into consideration.
Please do.
Thank you.
Please do.
And if you do, I'm going to be your first customer.
Okay. That's fine.
I know. You love food.
Oh my God. This is good.
I remember when you two used to run around in the compound when you were little.
That's true. He always likes playing the hero, trying to save you from Linus. Linus was a troublemaker.
Just because Linus always look for trouble.
Exactly.
He's a bully.
Well, in my defense, every good story should have a bad guy.
And
So
you
that's
are the bad guy.
I know that. So you did it for the plot. Is that what you're trying to say now?
Exactly.
Please.
Liar.
Thank you.
That's not true.
Thank you. That's not true. Anybody want some more?
Is somebody feeling what I'm feeling?
How are you feeling?
I feel good.
Oh God! Imagine.
Please stop. Please stop.
Oh my God.
Enjoy your meal. Okay.
You need more?
Bon appetit. So, Mom, after my master's, I've got to start working with one IT firm, a big top IT firm in Scotland.
That's so wonderful.
Yeah, and I've got to start working with the best guys there. And I also want to bring in new insight to our family business.
Oh, I love your enthusiasm.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. But you're forgetting something.
No, I don't think so. The lawyer said I can take over after my master's.
And after you get married.
Mom, can you just take that off me, please?
No, son. I can't wave that off. That is the condition. Finish your master's, get married, and take over the family business. It's as simple as that. Cheer up, okay? Getting a wife will not be difficult for my handsome son. No way. You know Uju just finished her MBA.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's amazing. She has always been a formidable woman.
And I'm sure she will make a formidable wife too. Don't you think so?
It's okay.
Oh, cheers.
Okay, where are you?
I'm waiting outside. You shouldn't have told me you're here. I'm standing in the middle of the road waiting. That's so nice.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you remember me?
Have we met?
Yeah, the disgruntled customer at the bank the other day.
Oh, the angry bird.
You need a lift? I can drop you off.
No, you don't have to bother. I'm fine. I'd already called my taxi. He should be here in a few minutes' time.
See, I know you're angry with me. I am not a rude person, okay? I just got into town from Scotland and I needed to activate my local account. And at the reception there, they were just giving me stress. So I needed to shout to get their attention. So I'm not just like that. You just need to forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
As if you know I'm dazed to see you sound so gentle, so meek and courteous. I remember the day you came to the office, the way you were wailing, screaming, shouting at everybody. The most surprising part was when you came to me to complain. And I told you that, calm down, it will be sorted out. You refused to give me benefit of doubt.
You know, I needed to send money to one or two persons to settle some issues on ground, but they were just giving me stress. But it's okay now, okay? I am sorry.
But can I advise you?
What?
Kindly learn how to manage your emotions, especially in public.
Sorry, I'm a very sweet guy, you should know me.
I don't know.
Okay, I'll make you know me, okay? Okay, it's okay, we're fine now. Can I drop you off?
Nah, don't worry, I'm fine. I insist I'm okay.
That means you're still angry with me.
Now why should I?
I need to drop you off. I just need to drop you off. If you don't mind, I really want to drop you off, okay? Please.
Well, thank you. I'll just have to call him and cancel.
I'm not a rude person, okay? I'm sorry for the other day. So I'm so sorry. Yeah. Purple looks good on you.
Yeah, that's the office color.
Is it like individually choose the color to use in the office or?
But you know my bank, this is our color, this is our official, one of our official colors. We do purple, black, white.
You wear it with suit all the time?
Depends on how I want to look. I can wear with skirt, I can wear just a shirt, just depends on my mood and how I choose to appear.
Okay.
But weekends, we do Ankara.
Oh, nice. I thought Ankara is on Fridays or something.
That's weekend, that's Friday.
Oh, yeah. I was wondering if I can...
Yes, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I actually wanted to tell you...
I can't give you my number. I'm sorry. I don't give out my number to strangers.
It's okay. I just wanted to say if I can get a new note, like mint.
Really?
Yeah, I actually want to use it for a friend's birthday by weekend.
Well, there's a procedure to that, but I'll see how I can sort it out for you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here for lunch?
No, I'm okay.
Yeah.
No. Good afternoon,
Good
Ma.
afternoon. How are you, my darling?
I'm doing well.
I wasn't expecting you.
I know. I was just by the corner. I went to the market. Thought about you because it's close by, and I decided to get you these.
Oh, this is so thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Hi. How are you?
Good. Are you?
I'm doing great.
You look good.
You too. You don't look bad yourself. What is that?
Stop. Mizie, get her something. Please sit down.
Thank you, Ma.
Sure.
I know now. Because you know what I want.
Change.
I did not change. I'm still me.
Drink soup.
Cool.
Oh, Bo. You're really blossomly beautiful since the last time I saw you.
Thank you. You've still got your sweet tongue.
Can say that again. So, how have you been?
I've been good. Very fine. All thanks to God.
Seriously, I need to know what's up with you. I need to know in details.
Well,
What's up with you, your life and everything?
I literally soaked myself in work, just been working. But sincerely, it's actually been very hard since my parents died in that accident. It's been very difficult for me to, navigate life and still be me.
I know what you must have passed through alone.
Yeah. But you see, right? Your mom, I have God and your mom to thank because she's been there for me. Her care, everything. She's just my backbone.
I understand. But I'm here now. Yeah. I can be your TV fibula. I can be your produce owner. Your backbone.
What
everything.
are you saying? Do you know the terms you're mentioning?
Yeah, no, I can be your phalanges.
Stop
Anyway,
it.
I'm here now, okay?
Thank you.
You look good.
I do.
Yeah.
You don't look bad yourself.
Your smiles have not changed.
Thank you. You
Yeah.
bring it out.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. You remember you used to feed me your drink when You said you will be here for me now. You'll be my backbone, you'll be everything.
You want us to start from here?
Yes.
Eki, what's funny? Baby girl, no, this is not funny. I've been at the restaurant for over 20 minutes. We agreed to meet here at a specific time. So what happened? Really? Please do and bring yourself here, Joe. No, don't even go there. You know, ever since I broke up with my boyfriend, you've been talking to me anyhow. It's not a crime to be single. Now single, I know by person. So be fast and come here. I'm waiting. Yes, I'm already in here. I've not ordered for our meal when you come. Because if I make order for it, it might get cold before you get here. I don't even know how many minutes you're away from me. I'm just having my nuts and my drink waiting for you. Alright. Bye. See you.
Okay, ma'am. Do you want to order for something else?
Yes, but not immediately. I'm waiting for my girlfriend to get here. So when she gets here, we'll place order for our starter, main course, and dessert.
Okay, ma'am. Alright.
Hi. How are you?
Mr. Mezier. What in God's name are you doing here? Are you stalking me?
No, come on, I can't stalk you. I traced you down here.
Why would you do that? You're the last person I expected to see here.
Fortunately, I'm here. So how are you doing?
Beautiful.
So, what are we taking? Actually, this is where I used to come and cool off. You know, nice place. Eat beautiful stuff and all that.
Same here. This is where I lounge whenever I want to get away from home, chill, eat something delicious. I love the place and it's private too. I get why you love it. You know, I brought all this. I just got back, guys. They like it quiet, cozy, and of course classy.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
So what are we taking? Because I know you can't be taking this.
Who are the we?
You and I.
I'm having what I want to have.
Let's do red wine. Brandy.
No.
We are doing red wine.
Who are the we?
You and I. We. Okay?
Don't get me involved.
Waiter. Please come.
Okay, sir. Good day, sir. Welcome to Ken's Lounge.
Thank you. Let me see. What do you have here?
We have red wine, champagne, small chops, big chops.
Let me see. Any protein?
Yes, we have chicken, we have turkey.
You make your choice.
Mr. Mezier Uchiebu, thank you. I can't. I already told you I'll place order for my main course meal when my friend comes, right? Attend to your guest.
I'm your friend now. I'm here now. So, we're changing it. Make your choice.
Why are you being persistent?
Make your choice. I'm replacing that person. Go on.
Okay. Well, I'd like to have spaghetti bolognese, grilled salmon fish. I want it very peppery. I want it tasty too, and spicy. So I think that's all for now. That's all for now. That's all for now.
Alright, ma'am.
Okay, let me have it. Okay, get me same.
I don't understand. I don't get it. Same word.
Linus, I want to ask you something.
Okay, go ahead. Ask me anything, man.
I need you to do something for me.
Anything, just ask me. You know I'll do anything for you.
You know Bezie needs to find a wife to assess his father's company.
Mm-hmm.
And you also know that Ujuma is a very beautiful woman and single as well.
Wow. Now I know where this is heading to.
Listen, I want my son to marry a good woman. And I want that woman to be Uju.
Mom, he will. Bezie is old enough to take the right decision.
I know, but just chip in a good word for her. That's all I need.
I'll wait, Mom, okay? Just cheer up, okay? Please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Are you better now?
Of course. So tell me, how far with the contract you discussed last time with me?
I'm still working on it.
Hello?
Hello, yeah. I am fine, but not really because I'm so bored here. I don't know what you guys do to catch fun here in Nigeria sometimes.
Well, we do a lot. You can go for a block party or you can also go to the beach.
Unfortunately, I'm not a fan of going to the beach or going to the club for loud music. I'm not a fan of it.
How about the cinemas?
Okay, that sounds interesting. Okay.
Yeah, it is. And there are so many new films in the cinemas. You will love it.
Oh, that's nice. Then we'll go together to see it. What do you think?
Are you inviting me over? Are you asking me out on a date?
Yes, I am.
Well, I'll give it a thought.
Okay, let me know when you decide.
Well, it's okay. I'll see to it. I'll think about it. I'll see if work will permit me.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye. Why are you staring at me like that?
I thought you broke up with your boyfriend.
I never said we're back together.
So who was that?
A friend.
You're already in a new relationship.
No, it's just a friendship.
Situationship, you mean?
Friendship.
I know. You wouldn't be smiling like that over just a friendship.
I don't know what you're talking about.
How would you know? How would you know?
So he said he wanted us to go see film together. And I asked, are you asking me out on a date? He said, yes.
Can say someone is in love.
I'm not.
Mom.
Yes, sir.
I can perceive some good aroma. What's cooking?
You can thank Uji for that.
Oh. So, what are you making?
We're making your favorite pounded yam and onubu soup.
Oh my God. You actually know a way to a man's heart.
Of course.
Nice. Okay.
It seems you're going out.
Yes, I'm going to see a movie.
If you had mentioned that earlier, Uju would have joined you.
No, it's okay. I mean, we can actually go some other time.
Yeah, some other time. Yeah. Okay, let me start going, Mom. Okay.
Don't be late, okay?
Okay, Mom.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Let's go.
Okay, Mom.
This is so me. I loved every bit of it. I love seeing movies.
I really enjoyed myself. Every part of it.
Same here. The film was very, very funny and scary, but I love it.
I actually enjoyed it because I had a good company.
There's this arts gallery show that is coming up next weekend. Are you game?
Another appointment. I'm beginning to feel that you like me.
Don't get over yourself. Do not get ahead of
You
yourself.
like me.
Take me back home, please. Let's go. Let's go.
Woo! Someone likes me. Woo! Woo!
Exaggeration.
Come on, let's go. Okay.
Hey, oh my goodness. It's late already.
Is this not back yet? Hold on. You just sent me a text.
Okay.
He said he's in traffic.
I have to go.
Okay. Please don't beat yourself up, okay?
No. It's as if everything I do is not okay, like my efforts are futile.
Please don't say that. He only needs a little push, that's all.
Lord, I don't want to come off as a desperate person.
And who is seeing you as desperate? Let me tell you. Men are oblivious of these things. You're a wonderful woman. So lovely. You will make a good wife. And a good daughter-in-law. Come here. It's okay. Just relax, okay?
Okay.
I am solidly behind you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I should wait a while.
Okay.
I will.
Thank you.
Yes, but I'm trying to send a mail to one of my clients. Something interesting entered my phone.
What is that, baby girl?
Okay, let me read. Okay.
What is it? Why are you smiling like that?
It's Mezier.
The guy you went on a date with?
Yes, we've been on 5 dates. Not on a date. 5? Yes, he's an amazing guy. Good looking, soft spoken, humble, handsome, and fun to be with.
I can see someone is in love already.
I can see that too.
So I guess it's the credit alert that you're smiling over.
It's not. Mezier sent a sweet, romantic morning greetings.
What's that? A text message. That's why you're smiling like this.
What do you mean?
I mean, he should be sending you designers bags or even planning a trip with you. What's that? Text message.
Listen, money is not everything, my friend.
Who said so? Money is the glue that binds relationship together.
No. Chemistry brings two people together. Friendship makes them vulnerable. And love binds them together. Do you understand? Money is secondary.
My dear, that is fiction. I'm talking of reality here. What are you saying?
The reality is that I'm working. I'm not handicapped. And I have my own money.
Why do I even have this feeling that this guy is here to use you?
No problem. Let him use me. I'm available to be used.
Hey, my
I need me to leave for work, name.
You are finished.
Yes, I am, no doubt.
You're finished there.
You see, you will not make heaven. See you.
Have a nice day.
Wow.
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
What's making you wow? Who is she?
Onye. She's a banker.
Onye?
Yeah.
Why is your banker sending you selfies in the middle of the day?
She's not just my banker, she's a friend also.
Bad guy.
Don't get it twisted. Don't just get it twisted.
Hold on. Are you sure you're not screwing this girl?
Hey, boundaries. Boundaries, guy. Onye is a breath of fresh air. She's an amazing woman.
What about Uju?
What about her?
You know your mother wants you to marry Uju, right? Please don't smile.
I suspected that. Yeah, I suspected that. Yeah.
Well,
let's see how it goes. Oh boy, let's go and watch football.
You're trying to close me.
Hey, you're already. Let's go.
Okay.
Are you okay?
I've been trying to send money to vendors, but I just can't.
Vendors?
Yes, the interior decorator, the baker, and my stylist too.
Mom, you're really planning this big.
Mizzy, I am turning 60. He doesn't come every day. I should celebrate life. Right?
That's right. Okay, let me get the vendor's account number so I can make the payment.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Even as that, I still need to go to the bank to support my bank issues. Very important. Because I can't stay without cash flow. You know that already.
Which bank?
Express Bank.
Okay, I know someone who can help you sort things out there.
So fast. Come on, you just came back. And you know people already.
I'm a G.
I know you are. That's my son.
Okay, call it
Fine,
out.
alright, 02.
Go. Thanks for helping my mom to go to the bank.
It's nothing. That was just me doing my job.
Yeah, you did your job very well because she's been singing your praises.
Really?
Yeah.
And I can really see how excited she was talking about her birthday.
You know what? That's all she talks about these days.
I understand. It's really exciting turning to 60. That's a milestone. Her feelings are valid.
And the way she's planning it, I mean, I think you should come. Yeah.
Really?
It's high time I let the whole world know that I have an amazing and a beautiful girlfriend. Mm-hmm. What do you think? Hey.
I don't know. I'm indifferent.
Come here.
Are you sure it's the right time?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
I think you need to. When you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
I think we're all ready for the big day.
Yes.
Wow! This is so beautiful. Uju.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, Andrew, you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. This is beautiful.
Right?
I like it.
Thank you. Linus did most of the thoughtful decoration.
Mommy, it's your big sister now.
This is who you are.
Yes.
Thank you
celebrate.
so very much. Meze is not here yet.
I think let's just give him little time. You know, he'll be here. Just make yourself
Mommy, just make yourself home. It's your day, don't stress.
Cold water.
I'm fine.
Okay.
It's my day, so anything goes.
Okay. Let me get you water.
Thank you.
All right.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, Meze. You're here.
Wow.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, son.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
Hey,
Yes.
meet my mom.
Well, happy birthday to you, Ma. This is for you.
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you so very much.
And meet Uju, my childhood friend.
Hi, Uju. Nice to meet you.
Did you meet her here?
My pleasure.
Your face looks familiar.
Yes, I'm the lady that helped you out at the bank the other day.
Oh, I remember now.
I'm a banker.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
Meze,
No?
thanks for bringing her here.
Nice to meet you, Ma. I'm wishing you a healthy, memorable, prosperous new age. May God continue to preserve you
Amen.
and bless you.
Amen. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Mom, she's not just my friend. She is my girlfriend.
Yeah.
Uju, are you okay?
Oh yes, I'm fine. I'm all right.
Yeah, she's cool.
Okay.
Okay. I think we should just get down to business, okay? Enough of the introduction and everything.
Yes, enough.
Please, forgive my manners. Just sit.
I think we should sing one the happy birthday song, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
We wish you long life.
No, let her say it.
Let her say it.
Say it.
Mommy needs to answer.
Say it.
I am 60 today.
Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more years. Many more years. Many more years to you. She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow.
Thank you.
Okay, pop on the wire, right?
No, she has to. No, hold on. She would come cut the cake for me, please.
Okay, so at the mention of Jesus,
Linus, I thought you were doing the introduction
You
here.
can actually do
No,
it.
you do it. It's family.
Okay, it's fine.
All right.
So at the mention of Jesus,
Yes.
we're going to cut this cake.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's go.
J-E-S-U-S.
Happy birthday to you, mommy. Happy birthday. I wish you the best as you add one to your age. God bless us. Thank you. Mommy.
Okay, so where are the glasses?
Thank you.
Let's do this. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Linus. Thank you, Andrew.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow. That was a great party.
Yeah. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, you know, my mom has a way of planning a big event.
That's a great one. And you have a wonderful family.
That family will be awesome when we have you in it. Yeah.
I have to go now.
Do you really have to go?
Yes, my ride is here. I gotta go.
It's okay. Let me drop you off.
You don't have to. With all that guests in there, nah, I wouldn't let you do that. Don't worry. I got me.
Are you okay?
Very.
Take care of yourself.
Take care.
Take care.
Hey.
But with you I know, but you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you I truly belong. They don't even understand it.
Lolo, after everything, he shows up with somebody else.
Oganuju, just calm down, please.
How will I calm down? How do you expect me to calm down? Please tell me, how do you expect me to calm down? You said I should put in more effort than I did. Everything in me, I put in. But he was blinded, obviously blinded by somebody else.
Don't talk like that. Please. I know my son. And I know that you're the only woman good for him.
No, Lolo, obviously he doesn't feel the same way. Don't patronize me, please.
Trust me. You know what I can do, right? I'll do something about it. Come in.
No, I'm so heartbroken.
That's what I'm here. Listen, he has made his mistakes, right? I will remedy it. I promise you.
Okay, but he was not supposed to introduce her in front of me, knowing that I'm the YC girlfriend. He would have just taken you inside the room and told you whatever he wanted to do.
Okay, my baby girl, Amalicham, trust me. Not under my watch. I'll take care of everything, I promise you. You're good for my son. It's you I want as a daughter-in-law. Don't be scared. Okay. I'm gonna say, okay? Are you happy for me?
Yes.
Today is my birthday. 60th birthday.
It's true.
Now wipe your tears. And smile for mama. Smile for mama. That's my girl, come here.
Thank you, Ma.
When you crossed my path, I knew that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me.
This lineup I'm seeing here, it's obvious you guys will walk alone this evening.
See who you're talking in your dreams. Calm down. See your lineup now. See your team. They're not even strong. They're not even strong at all. And you're just talking.
Just be watching the way your club will fail you. Over those days, I want you to promise us money, and they will end up not sending us the money. That's what's going to happen.
Let's watch and see.
Just watch.
Yes! Hey!
What's this now?
Football.
This is a clear off now. What's this?
This
is a foul ball.
Not chicken ball. Not only foul.
This ref has been bribed now. No, now.
Calm down. We're winning.
I beg, I'm not watching this
Cheers.
match anymore. Cheers to what?
Come on, cheers.
Please, I beg. What am I cheersing to?
I told you.
That was a clear foul ball, and he ignored it.
I told you.
Please, leave this football, please.
I can't leave it though.
Please, let's talk about something else. How did you go with Unye last night?
Okay. I think my mom loves her.
Mom loves her. What about Uju?
She seems gloomy at the end of the party.
It's obvious now. It's not very obvious. You're all over Onye now. It's obvious.
Uju is my favorite person, and she knows that.
This boy, you're confusing me. Uju is a right person. They're always doing Onye now.
Onye might be the one.
Please, let me just eat my biscuits. I'm tired of you.
Wait and see another one.
I'm going to keep on, don't worry.
Yeah, calm down. Watch. What will happen now? Oh, God.
I tell you now. You know the keeper with you that.
Calm down. Just watch. We'll deal with two people. Hey, another one!
Don't go bribe now.
Take 3.
Take with it.
Hey, if not bribe, this bribe is sweet, you know.
Sweet added.
Hello, Uju. How are you? Just checking up on you. Not seen you since Mom's birthday. I hope all is well. Okay. I was thinking you would stop by. I have something to tell you. Hello? Hey, Mom.
How are you, son?
I'm fine.
Have you had dinner?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay, that's good. There's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, Mom. I hope all is well.
Of course.
Okay.
I was just hoping we could invite Onine over for the weekend. You're surprised, right?
Yes. Yes, I am. Yeah.
Of course. I just thought it would be nice to know this woman who has mesmerized my son.
Yeah, Mom, you're right. It would be nice, actually. Yeah. Yeah.
Maisie, I hope you know that I want the best for you.
I know. And I appreciate.
Thank you, son. All right. It's okay. You mean you don't want anything like, a glass of juice?
No, Mom, I'm fine. I'm good.
That's fine.
Mom?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
It's fine. I love you. I can't believe you agreed to do this.
But it's just a harmless visit.
This is a bad idea.
Why would you say that? You just want me to meet the mother. The mother wants me to stay with her for a while so she can know me better.
You're going to be there for the whole weekend.
That's just 2 days. It's not that serious.
Even at that, I don't feel okay with it. What if the mother doesn't like you?
Stop. Why are you being pessimistic?
If me being the voice of reason means me being pessimistic, then I would be. What is it? You're my friend. That's why I'm speaking to you.
Bestie, calm down. Relax. See, you see this thing? it will go well. I expected you to wish me well, not all those negative thoughts and talk and all of that. You should wish me well.
Why is this headstrong?
Wish me well.
Okay, I wish you well.
Now you're communicating enough of all those negative talk and thoughts and all of that. See, I have this under control. Bet me, it's going to go smoothly.
I pray so, my friend.
I can't wait.
To be his wife, right?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't understand, but when it happens eventually, you are definitely going to be the chief bridesmaid.
Of course.
See that position? They know they drag her with my
Who
best.
else? If I said anybody, I would drag the
you're
person.
my best friend. I don't have to know that person. I've already packed my things, so baby girl is ready.
So fast?
Yes, so good.
This girl.
Come on, trust me. I've already set the ball rolling. I'll call you back.
Here she is.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, mommy. Nice to meet you. You look so beautiful.
You look beautiful too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Stop, Mizzy.
Your mom is so fine.
And you're beautiful, like I said. Mizzy.
Yeah.
Please take her up.
Okay, come. Let me show you to the room.
Okay.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Let's go.
Oh, we're going upstairs.
Yeah, it will be ready.
Would you let me do that all by myself?
Oh, come on. Let me hold you.
Okay.
Easy.
Thank you, Mom. Stop. It's okay. Don't worry, I'm fine. Mom, don't mind me. It's just being silly.
That's fine. It's okay.
Crossed my path, I knew
He's there.
that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me. And every day I've come to realize that I want you and I need you.
My son has said so many good things about you.
Searching for, yes, I love you. And I
So tell me,
that I even understand
why do you like my son?
that you're the only one I love.
Well, I would say it's because he's handsome.
Okay.
He's loving, he's kind, he's humble, and most importantly, he's very intelligent.
Of course, I know my son is intelligent. Is that all you know about him?
For now.
Okay, that's fine. I know that my son is caring. And I must tell you, my son is every woman's dream. Of course. That's the son, rich.
Oh my God.
Sorry about that.
Where can I get the mop?
No, it's okay. Sit, please. I'll take care of it.
Are you sure?
Yes, my bad. It's okay. Sit.
I don't mind doing the cleaning,
It's
Mom.
okay. It's okay. Relax.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Mom, let me
Stop.
do it.
Sit.
Please.
It's okay. I
Please,
understand.
Ma, let me do it. I insist, please. I let you get the mop because I didn't know where to pick it from. Let me do it. Okay. Mom, can I get serve it so that I can use it and clean this? I can use the mop on the...
It's okay, don't worry. I'll clean it up.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't want you to stress yourself. Yeah. Mom. Good morning.
Good morning. Marama.
Ma.
Hope you had a good night rest.
Yes, I did, and you hope you had a pleasant night rest.
Peaceful.
Oh, the aroma is delicious. What did you cook? I can perceive the aroma. I wish you can give me the recipe, Mom.
If you had woken up earlier to join me, you would have gotten it. Alright, please could you help me make the custard? Let me use the ladies' room, okay?
Sorry.
Are you alright?
Yes, ma.
Okay. Please.
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning, sir. How was your night?
Good. Yes?
I thank God.
I can perceive something delicious. What's cooking?
I'll leave you to guess.
What's that?
What's that?
Hey!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Ah, gosh! Woo! Hey!
What is it?
Oh!
Guinea, what is it?
Ah,
Yeah?
wait. Calm down. What happened on my hand?
What?
Ah, God!
It's okay.
God.
Don't
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I don't understand.
Let
me see.
Wait, I wanted to pour the hot water inside the custard mix, and the thing mistakenly shifted from there. And the thing just poured on my hand. Oh! Ah, God. Oh
But
my
I just placed the water on the fire before I left.
Yes, but it was really hot.
You mean the water could have boiled already?
God, yes. It was boiled. It was really hot. That's why I wanted to make the custard for you.
Stop talking too much. It's okay.
Oh God.
Let me get salt.
Messi, please get water. Get water first. I need to quench the hotness. This
Salt
hurts.
okay.
No, it's giving me excruciating pain.
Sorry.
Ah!
It's okay.
God,
Hold on.
cold water. God, cover my hand with the precious blood of Jesus. Oh! No, don't bring the cup close to my hand. Ay, Jesus. Oh God, is this still going to be swollen? God,
With this
please.
cold water now, it will be fine, okay?
Are you sure? I don't want anything to
after now, I'll put
happen
salt.
or disfigure my fingers and my hand.
I won't allow that.
Oh God. Ah, shit.
Hey.
No,
Don't change your
please.
color now, eh?
Hello, Eki.
Honey, what's up?
It's been tough here. The mother asked me to make custard. I had to fake domestic accident, so I would not own up to that responsibility because I can't. I can't. Babe, this is not funny now. Eh? This is not funny. I'm a woman. I'm supposed to know how to do all of this. I regretted ever not following you for that cooking class.
I'm sorry that I'm
Listen, once I come back, you see that kitchen duty? We are doing it together. You will teach me how to make all manner of dishes, local, continental, everything. I need to learn.
What can I say? I told you so.
See, days of me not knowing how to cook are already gone. Now I need to be the baddest chef on earth. Yes. Baby, it's not funny, please.
You shouldn't have gone in the first place.
Please, I beg of you. I'll call you back.
You mind if I join you?
It's okay, ma.
Alright. So how is your hand?
Oh, it's still a bit painful, but it's fine. Thank God it's not swollen.
Sorry about that.
Thank you, ma.
You know, when Mezier was little, I used to help him select his clothes. Yes. Choose what shoes to wear, and even the hairstyle to cut.
Wow. I know you must have really been making good choices for him as a good mother.
Of course, that makes me a good mother. I know what is good for my son. And I know the kind of wife I want for my son.
Baby, you just need to relax, okay?
How can I relax when your mom hates me?
You've just been here for one night and you can conclude.
Missy, please don't be naive. It's obvious. The way she looks at me and everything. And to worsen it all, I messed up today. I disappointed her.
It was a mistake, right?
Yes, it was. It was a mistake.
See, you're off to a rocky start. And it's no big deal.
She's your mother. Her approval is a big deal for me.
And you have the chance to win her over tomorrow. Another chance. Hey, come here, babe.
My hand.
Oh, sorry, Mike. No, I forgot. Come on, see your hand, though. Easy.
Hello? Our plan is in motion. Phase 1 completed. Let phase 2 begin. I'll talk to you.
I know I'm not running the company yet, but from what I'm saying, a lot needs to be changed.
But come to think of it, the company has been making a whole lot of profit.
Yes, I know, but it will be better, especially in the estate sector.
Make me understand about this real estate sector.
Yes, I've done a new business plan that will help the company leverage on its available resources to multiply on its income.
Wow. This is your plan. Can I see it?
Of course. Let me show you. Look at it. It's a new plan.
Wow. You're a genius.
Really?
This is a brilliant plan. How did you come up with this, man?
That is it, I have to think.
You're a genius. Sorry. Yeah, hello, Martins. Okay, but I'm in a meeting now with my cousin. Is it so important that I should come now? Okay. Give me about 15 minutes, I'll be with you. Okay. Bro, I have to leave you, so it's really important.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You take care.
Yeah, you too.
Okay. Okay.
I'll see you.
Babe,
Yeah.
guess what?
What?
I successfully downloaded the software in your laptop.
Oh my God.
I told you I was going to do it.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
What will I do without you?
Everything.
Thank you so much. But how did you do it?
I told you I was going to do it, but I never believed I could.
I know, but what software? Because
Don't worry, your laptop is charged and you will see it when we get there. Should I get the door?
Hold on, let me get it. Hold on. Hi.
Hello. Hi, Uju. How are you? Very well.
Where's mommy?
She's in the kitchen.
Okay, I'll just go see her. Mommy?
Yes. So which software used to get that? Are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Well, I just told you I was going to do it.
How did you do it?
Hey, I just want to see you outside for a moment. I just want to see you outside. Let's go.
Mom!
I don't understand. Are you not happy to see me?
You got me worried. No call, no test. You just showed up here like all is well.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm here now.
It's alright. All forgiven.
Thank you. So can I get a hug?
Lola says she wants the two ladies in the kitchen with her.
Okay.
So what are you guys cooking?
Italy soup with salmon.
Oh, your favorite.
Okay. I'm coming.
Okay. Are you coming?
Yeah, coming.
Okay.
Onye, please leave those cups. Don't worry about that. Help us marinate the meat, okay? Please hurry. Uju,
Yes, Mommy.
prepare the water for Semo.
Okay, Mommy.
Be fast! We need the meat to prepare the soup. Please hurry. What? What are you doing?
I am marinating the meat as you instructed. I'd already added pepper. It's time that I want to...
Inside the meat. Eh? You added pepper. What is this? Allow the real women to handle that. What is this? Is this how you cook? At your age? Eh? You want to cook the meat with this kind of pepper? You couldn't even blend it. What is this nonsense for?
I'm sorry.
Oh, shut up! You're so irresponsible.
Yeah, I didn't want this pepper to hurt me. That's why I put it so that...
Just listen to yourself. Woe unto you. A woman for that matter. Eh? My son, and you want to get married to my son. Shame on you! I didn't see that coming. Eh?
Well.
She would have prepared poison for us today. What is this? Wanting to boil the meat with balls of pepper. She would have thrown this ball of onions inside it.
Don't it already, Mommy.
This girl is terrible.
It's right.
What can I say?
It's alright, I'm here. I'll do the rest.
It's working out. Please just hurry.
Okay, Mommy.
Hey! What was she trying to explain?
I don't know.
Babe,
I'm sorry.
what is it?
I'm sorry.
What is it?
Your mom.
My mom? Mom, what's so funny? Mom, what's so funny?
You want to know what is funny?
Yes.
That pathetic, undomesticated pretty face of a girlfriend.
What? Mom?
Maisie, are you under a spell?
Mom, you are crossing the line.
Maisie, you need to answer. You need to answer the question.
So this is what this is all about, right?
Yes, it is. She cannot cook nor clean.
That does not make her less of a woman. Or it's not even enough to make her the subject of ridicule.
Listen, Maisie, I know you're desperate to take over your father's company, but she is not good for you. Oh! Yes, you heard me. She is not good for you.
This is not good. It's not good at all. It's not right.
What nonsense.
God.
Babe.
God.
Babe.
What is she talking about?
But it's not what you think, okay? Calm down, let me explain to you. Okay? Let me explain to you, please.
So I'm a means to an end.
Babe, come on.
I am a means to an end!
Stop
Yes!
this.
You're a means to a terrible end. That is who you are.
Mom, please stop. Mom.
Oh, shut up.
Stop this! Babe, hold on. Hold on, please. You're happy, right? You're happy. Babe, hold on, please. Babe.
Come here.
Thank you.
That's my baby.
Thank you so much.
She doesn't have a choice.
Right.
Of course, she will leave immediately.
Thank you, that's what I want.
You have it, baby.
Wait, please.
Hey, please. You should have told me you brought me here to insult and humiliate me.
It wasn't my intention at all.
You are a liar. You are a liar.
Why didn't you mention to me that you cannot cook?
So that's your problem too, right?
That's never my problem. Okay? I wish, but you would have mentioned it.
When were you going to tell me that you were using me? When?
That's not true. You see, my mother...
No, she said the truth. That is the truth. Go to Uju. Be with Uju. Marry her at least. With her, you'll be able to secure your father's company. That's all you want. You don't love me. You don't care about me. So stay away from me.
Can you calm down?
No, I will not calm down.
Babe, we need to talk this thing over, okay?
Not for this.
Come on.
Don't touch my box.
Babe, we need to talk it over, okay? Calm down. It wasn't... Babe, please.
I said excuse me.
Babe, hold on. Let's just...
I said excuse. Don't touch my bag. Just leave my bag.
Babe, Onye, stop this now, please.
All this happened last night.
Yeah. I was so embarrassed. Very.
It's okay.
I don't know why I allowed myself to be used to this extent.
You have to stop crying. You can't continue to cry like this.
It's all my fault. I should have listened to you. Shouldn't have even gone to that place at all.
Yes.
You need to have seen the way I was embarrassed.
I told you, but you wouldn't listen. But that still doesn't give them the right to treat you the way they did.
I blame myself for everything. I would have known it was too good to be real.
If you ask me, I think you dodged a bullet.
You don't have to say that about Mezie. Mezie is a great guy. Yeah.
He's a great guy and still used you to get to his father's company.
That's another point.
It's okay. At least you got the plot on time. You can use your time to do important things now and get yourself ready for the best man.
The best man?
Yes.
Okay, who is going to love me like this? I can't even make pap. Is that bad?
And who said our worth is only defined in the kitchen?
But that's the measuring scale for a wife material in Africa. Every African woman is expected to
be resilient, hardworking, and teachable. Our strength is not only in the kitchen. Look, Onyi, you're an amazing woman. Forget about this societal stereotype that our strength is only in the kitchen. Oh, look, you're going to learn how to cook. And I will teach you. Not because you want to impress him or any other person in the society, but because it's a fundamental skill that everyone needs, no matter the gender.
Oh God. Okay. Thank you. You are a friend in need. You are a friend indeed. Thank you, my head aches.
Oh, so sorry. Should I get you painkiller?
No, just get me water. A glass of water will do.
Okay.
What about the sacrifices? You're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even understand. You're the only one I love, the only one I need. The world can fight us, but they can't tear us apart. 'Cause with you I'm stronger, with you I know I belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you I truly belong. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even understand that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't really get it, they don't really know it, they don't wanna know you're the one for me. They don't really get it, they don't really know it, they don't really know you're the one for me. The world can fight us, but can't tear us apart. 'Cause with you I'm stronger, with you I know I belong. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need.
So the yam is cooking now. The next thing you're going to add is the crayfish and the pepper with the onion. But you're going to allow it to boil small. You know, I just added the oil now.
Okay.
Then after you slice these vegetables small. Huh?
Okay.
Then, but you allow the yam to get done first. This is the last thing you're going to put.
Okay.
And once you add it, just give it like a minute, because it needs to be fresh.
Yes.
So what did I just say?
Okay. My professional chef just said that I should add crayfish, onion, pepper.
Yes.
Wait for a while. Gently, stylishly, swaggerliciously slice the pumpkin leaf, the ugu.
Yes.
Then I'll put it when the food is done.
Exactly.
So,
when the yam is done.
When the yam is done, so it will be fresh and yummy and crunchy.
Fine. You're learning so fast too.
You're teaching me so well. It takes two.
Okay, before we
Thank
do
you.
that, you're going to give it like 5 more minutes before we add all this.
Okay, but promise me you will teach me how to make hummus.
Of course, I'm here for you.
So after this, we'll do that later in the day. Then tomorrow.
What do you want?
Moi.
No problem. It's done already.
Thank you. Then after that, we can now do other local delicacies like abacha.
Anything
So
you
many
want,
other
I'm
things.
here for you. It's very easy, it's not that hard.
I'm seeing it.
So, let's...
Yes, so crayfish, onion, pepper. Wait a while. Slice pumpkin leaf, add it, and bring it up.
That's my idea. Very smart
Thank
girl.
you. Thank you so much.
Are you sure you're ready to go back to work?
I am. I don't even have an option. People go through heartbreak every day. It shouldn't stop me, right? Moreover, my sick leave is over. I need to resume.
Oh, come on, girl. Stop getting yourself worked up.
Am I crazy to still be in love with him?
No, you're not. If you love him that much, why don't you talk to him?
I'm terribly hot.
I know, dear. But you need to stop sulking. Technically, it was his mother and his best friend that offended you, not him.
On whose side are you?
Baby girl, I am on your side.
It doesn't seem so.
So now you go with your shoulders up and your head held high, because you're a formidable woman.
Thank you so much for your words of encouragement.
All right.
See you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
I miss you so much.
It's okay. Let me go and count people's money.
When you crossed my path, I knew that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me.
You know you cannot ignore me forever.
Watch me.
Okay, Missy, wait, hold on. I know that you're upset with me, but Missy, our hearts were in the right place.
A very misguided place. I understand why my mom should, but for you, I don't really understand why you should be so desperate.
Desperate?
Me, desperate? I don't understand it. Maisie, I have been with you for a very long time. I've been with you for years. I cared for you. I loved you, but you left me for another person. So yes, I'm desperate.
So you would want another woman to be humiliated?
Yes, because you're stupid enough to say that she's not meant for you.
Oh, yeah. That is what we're talking about. That is it. I'm a grown man. I have my decisions to make. You don't make decisions for me. Would you say? You're my childhood friend. I loved you like a sister. I'm not loving you in that way you're thinking. Okay? Uchu, it's not you. I am not in love with you. I'm not angry with you. I'm not pushing you away, but that attachment that you wanted is not it. I'm not feeling it. I'm seeing you like my sister. Okay? Please.
It's not what
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? So would you come on, understand this. Understand this.
It's not what I want.
Bro, just man up. Have some drink.
I can't take this anymore. I'm actually losing my mind.
Don't you think she needs some space?
Some space? It's almost 2 weeks now. So I know I've given her enough space.
Mizia, listen to me. I think it's high time you let Onyinye go.
They've gotten you to, right?
Bro, listen. I'm being very honest with you here.
Onyinye is a nice woman. She's really a nice person, and I'm not going to let her go until I get her back to myself.
Bro, you're not even getting the point. This is the same woman that failed Lolo's tests. Series of tests. She failed woefully. This girl is not a wife material.
Hey, please. Please, don't talk about her like that. Please. All these things are social construct. Forget about whatever wife material. Forget it.
Mizia, come on. Let's face reality. Leave this girl and let's forge on with things you're doing. I don't like the way you're looking these days.
This life you're seeing right now will never be complete without Onyinye in it.
So you still want this girl? But let me tell you something. Lola won't be happy about this. Hope you know that.
At this point, I don't care anymore. Yeah. This is my life.
Such an interesting film. I swear. Can you imagine? Are you expecting someone?
Not at all. How about you?
No.
So what would that be?
Let me get it down. Yes?
Is Onyinye in?
What are you doing here? I ask again. What are you doing here?
Can you just calm down so we'll talk?
Talk about what? There is nothing to talk with you. Just leave this house.
I've been trying to get you on the phone, but it's unavailable.
That's how unavailable I am to people who don't know my value. Let me even ask you, do you love me? Do you love me?
Of course I do.
You don't.
I do love
But
you.
you stood and watched your mom insult me, humiliate me.
I can't blame my mom for her own opinion.
I can't condone archaic ideologies and judgmental behavior. I can't.
You make it sound like it's my mom's fault that you cannot cook.
Oh, really? Now I get the point. So you also have a problem with that, right?
It would have been a problem if you had told me. You understand?
I don't understand.
You see, in this part of the world, women cook, do house chores, clean, wash, and all that. I don't even know if you can do all that.
Enough of that stereotype. Men do that too. And ever since the incident in your house, you never bothered to ask me why I don't know how to cook. Don't worry, I get it. You see this thing? You see, us, you and I, this whole relationship thing, it's not going to work. You don't love me. You just want to use me to get your father's company.
No, that's not true.
Well, that's the truth. You don't love me.
You need to calm down. Let's talk, babe. Okay?
Okay, I'm down.
See, take it easy.
Get out. Use the door. I said get out. I don't want to be disrespectful. Just leave me alone.
Babe.
Use the door.
Onyinye.
I said the door. Leave.
What is the matter? You're leaving?
Yes, Mother, I have to go.
But why? I told you that Nizie will come around soon.
No, he has already made his choice and it wasn't me. It's not me now.
Listen, don't let this attitude deter you. We're almost at the finishing line.
No. He has been miserable ever since this thing started. He has now.
He will get over it. I know myself.
No, he's not going to get it. No, just leave it. I have to go. He's not going to get over it. And this thing we've been doing, it's not good. It's not okay. I can't lose my friend over this now.
Please listen to me. Please, you need to stay back. Don't go.
No, trust me. This is for the best. Okay? It's the best decision ever. Please. Thank you. God bless you. Let me just go. Take care of yourself.
Going out again?
Yes.
Please come sit for a minute.
What is it?
Please sit. Nizie, you're hardly at home. You return late and barely speak to me about it.
What do you want from me?
I want you to be in Immerse. Pick your wife and take charge of your father's household.
Which I did. Yes, I've done that already, but you sabotaged it.
Only is not good for you. Can't you get it?
That is not for you to judge. It's me.
But as your mother, I'm supposed to steer you to the right direction.
But I'm no longer a child. I have my decisions to make.
Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me. And every day I've come to realize that I want you and I need you. You're the one that I've been searching for. Yes, I love you and I need you. Didn't even understand it, that But you're the only one I love, the only one I need. What about the sacrifices? The only one I
Uju,
love.
I don't think this is a good idea.
It's the only option that I have, so I need to do this.
I'm not fully supporting what you're about to do.
Well, I don't know. I just have to do it like I said. I need to see her.
It's alright. I'll be here waiting in case you get chased out by bulldogs.
Alright, no problem. Thank you so much. I'm just going to take my hand back from behind.
Okay.
Please wait for me like I said. But I know I'll be fine.
Please stay safe, okay?
It's okay.
Who's there? Hold on.
Hiya.
Hi, what? What are you doing here? No. I'm asking you a question and you're entering you are barging into my house.
Please calm down. I'm just here to see you.
To see me for what exactly?
I'm here. I'm just here to say I'm sorry.
No. You're here to rub it on my face. I know it. You've always wanted Monsieur for yourself. Family friend. Now you have him all to yourself. I'm sure you're happy. So don't come here to rub it on my face. Just leave my house immediately.
Onini, please. I am sorry and I am ashamed. I just need you to listen to me.
Listen to what you have to say. The crap that will come out of your mouth. I am not interested.
Oh yeah, I know you're angry. I know you're furious. But
Would
just
you?
listen.
Leave my house.
No, Onyinye, listen to me. Whatever I have to say, you really need to hear it. Okay, just let's sit down. It's not about me being sorry. It's not about me being ashamed of myself. But I need to say some things to you, please.
I'm not interested. Leave.
Please.
Leave.
Onyinye, sincerely, I realized that I was being foolish. I was being childish. And I am so sorry. Okay? I should have supported your relationship with Mizzy and I didn't. Listen, you make him so happy.
But that happiness does not radiate in his mother.
No, she will come around.
No, she won't. I know her type. She's like my late dad. Very mean, rigid, and myopic. My late dad berated my late mom because she was unable to give him a son. He dehumanized her, maltreated her, treated her as if she doesn't matter, reduced her self-worth with maltreatment and unprintable words. My mother could not leave. She was raised to stick with her husband no matter the situation. Divorce is not allowed. So she tolerated him. Whilst at it, my father couldn't tolerate her anymore. He felt she was less. He started dating someone else. An independent woman. Let me remind you that my mother did not further her education. She got married early. And after their marriage, even before their marriage, my father promised my mother that she's going to continue her education. But he never allowed her. My father started dating this girl who is very educated, self-made, independent, brilliant, exposed, and started rubbing that on my mother. It got to a point that he couldn't keep her as a side chick anymore. He had to divorce my mother and marry the girl. Our night came in the morning. Everything turned for worse for my mother and I. We suffered. But my mom made a decision that I don't end up like her. After we moved on with our lives, my mother would not allow me to even touch a pin. She said, "You are going to be the version of me I never been in my life. That dream, the school, everything I couldn't do, you would do it." She would go inside the kitchen, prepare the meals, do the house chores. Even when I tried to help, she wouldn't let me. She would always say, "Onyinyechi, go and read your book. I want you to be a banker. I want you to be an independent woman. I want you to be more for yourself. You can hire a chef, you can bring people to do all of the house chores, but you need something for yourself. That was it. And my concentration was not on those house chores. It was mainly on building myself, maximizing my potentials, becoming a better version of myself, and of course, becoming independent. That's what I was taught. I'm not proud of it, but that's my story. That's my situation.
Onyinye, I don't know what to say, but I'm sorry. I never knew about all of this.
Yeah, this is part of me. I don't tell people. I'm not fond of telling my stories.
You should. You know why you should? Because you're an independent, intentional, energetic, and lovable woman. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Those words means a lot to me. Thank you. So, what's up with you and Mezie?
Mezie, we've not spoken in a long while.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we haven't.
How is he?
You did the truth.
Hope he's fine.
No, he's not. He needs you. He's not doing well. He isn't. He's broken. He's shattered. He wants you. You're the person he needs in his life.
Cause with you I'm stronger. With you I know I belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know. With you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know. With you I truly belong. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even understand it, you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't really get it, they don't really know it. They don't wanna know you're the one for me. They don't really get it, they don't really.
You don't have to go.
Mom, there is nothing for me here. Absolutely nothing.
I'm deeply sorry. This is all my fault. Please.
Without a wife, I am not getting my father's company. So without Onyinye, my life is incomplete. So I'm better off back in Scotland.
Okay. Even if you're leaving, you have to eat first.
I'm not hungry.
So please. You can't just go like this. Come on, please.
No, please.
Please.
Oh.
Please, I'm sorry. Please. Because like I said, I am truly sorry.
The only one I need. The world can fight us, but they can't tear us apart. Cause with you I'm stronger. With you I know I belong. Obstacles may come and go, but with you I know. With you I truly belong. Obstacles may come and go, but with you I know. With you I truly belong. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even understand it.
Hey, Mom, you guys don't have to do this.
And you don't have to go.
Onyinye,
Hi, Mezie.
you're here?
Yes, I am. And I will always be.
I thought you hated me.
I never did. I was just upset with you. You don't have to go.
I am not going anywhere either. This life will never be complete without you by my side.
My life will be miserable without you by my side. I love you too, baby. I missed you so much.
She actually prepared this meal especially for me.
Who?
Me.
How?
I'm one of the best chefs in town right now. I had to do what I have to do to be a better woman for you. I did. And I can make different kind of dishes. Local, continental, chocolate and butter.
Wait. You did this?
Yes, of course she. We did it.
Oh, I love you.
So,
Come here. Come here. You do this again, right? Ju, I am sorry for the way I spoke to you. Sorry for everything.
Come on, you don't need to apologize. I mean, everything you said was the truth. I'm really happy for you both. So, you deserve each other.
thank you, Joe, my G.
Wow.
Alright, that's right. So now that everything is fine, shall we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look alike. You don't make me a woman. You're okay. You're a perfect gentleman. Thank you. Thank you.
When you crossed my path, I knew that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me. And every day I've come to realize that I want you and I need you. You're the one that I've been searching for. Yes, I love you and I need you. Did I even understand it? That you're the only one I love, the only one I need. What about the sacrifices? You're the only one I love, the only one I need. Didn't even understand. You're the only one I love, the only one I need. The world can fight us, but they can't tear us apart. 'Cause with you I'm stronger, with you I know I belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, but you